What's up guys? Welcome back. Today I have something special. I'm going to be looking at a high-grade kit, and this right here is the Future Century GF13 049 NM Tequila Gundam from the anime Mobile Fighter Gundam. Now I bet you're wondering yourself, how does this kit exist? If you haven't caught on by now, the answer is, it doesn't. At least currently in 2025. Come on Bandai, you'll greenlight the Mandala Gundam but not Tequila? And it's been a multi-year journey through kit bashing, trial and error, community input, and even 3D printed parts. So let me take you through how this went from a joke in Twitch chat to multiple full versions, and finally, the Tequilagundam 3.5. This all started because my friend Hey Guy was in my chat one day when I was showing some custom builds. He jokingly asked, "Hey, where's mine?" Now, I'm a big Gundam fan, and I knew he was too, so I told him if I ever made a custom for him, I would try building a Tequila Gundam. Couldn't guarantee it would look 100% accurate. I was gonna try. That kicked off the journey. There was no real plan. I just grabbed leftover parts and started visualizing how everything could fit together. I've always been good at imagining how different kits can merge into a kit bash, so I just trusted my eye. The hardest part of the build was a sombrero. I ended up using a tiny sombrero from an old Playmobil set. To finalize colors, I asked my friend Ed, who works at HobbyOne Japan in Vegas, and he helped me choose the paint scheme. The result was version 1.0. From where I was skill-wise at the time, it came out pretty solid. The paint was rough in spots, the build was simple, but it captured the spirit of the Tequila Gundam. I posted it online and it actually got some unexpected traction on Twitter and Reddit. A few years later, I'd gotten better at building and painting, and I hit a milestone on Twitch. To celebrate, I decided to revisit the Tequila Gundam and make a second version, one to keep and one to give away. This time, we made some upgrades. We added the crest portion to the V-fin. Each version 2.0 used a different V-fin since I didn't have duplicates. We swapped out the old FG Zaku shoulder for a modern HG. We added a vent from the Denial Gundam on the shoulder with the shroud, and we replaced the other shoulder vent with one from the Perfect Strike Freedom instead of the original Freedom. One version went to the giveaway winner, and the other one is currently displayed at HobbyOne Japan in Vegas next to another Gundam built by my friend Ed. This is currently true as of 2025. I thought my journey was over, but then my friend OldManWote reached out while I was working on a different custom. He showed me these custom Zaku style shield parts someone made for him, and that got me thinking. If this person can make that, could they also make parts for a Tequila Gundam? Turns out the answer was yes. The first thing we aimed for was a more accurate head, and it came out fantastic. Using that head as the anchor, version 3 was born. This one had better articulation, a cleaner paint job, proper panel lining, and extra movement on the arm and the shroud. I even added weapon storage and swapped the weapon to a trident from the Transient Gundam. At this point, I wanted to push it even further. We commissioned new forearms, a new front skirt, and sharper shoulder spikes. We test fitted everything on the version 1.0's body to create a temporary 1.5 while we worked out adjustments. Around this time, I saw another fan-made Tequila Gundam build online that used legs that looked more accurate to the original design. I swapped those in too. All this combined into the final form, the Tequila Gundam 3.5. This is the version I'm most proud of. Sculpted parts, custom paint, better proportions, and just a stronger presence overall. It took years to get here, but this version taught me something. This is most likely the last Tequila Gundam I will ever build. It's been a long journey, but I'm glad I started it, and even more glad that more people out there are creating their own versions. Gunpla truly is freedom, and this project proves how creative you can get. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I have more custom builds, reviews, breakdowns coming soon in the future, so please stick around.